In this exercise, we are going to find the noun. Trouvez le nom. So the first verb given to us is répéter. So what is the noun form? It is une répétition. Une répétition. The next verb is fermer. What would be the noun form? It would be la fermeture. So the noun is la fermeture. Now the next one, changer. What would be the noun form? It is le changement. So when we keep doing these exercises, you will be able to judge which of the suffix you will use. So now it might be confusing for you because we do not know which suffix is appropriate for which verb. So when you keep doing, when you use these words, you will get to know and you will be able to judge by looking at the verb what is the suffix that we have to use. Now the next part of this exercise is trouver le nom de la personne qui fait l'action. So find the noun of the person, the name of the person who does the action. So the first word is vendre, to sell. So who is the person who sells? He is the vendor. So le vendor. So in this case, we are finding the name of the person who is doing the given action. We are not finding the noun form of the action. It is the name of the person, le vendeur. The next one is organizer, organiser. So l'organisateur, the organizer, l'organisateur. So here also we use endings, but you may not be able to judge which suffix to use. So this requires practice and the more you listen. So try listening to the language. When you listen, you will be able to note what are the suffixes used for each of the words. And finally, participe. So now, participer. If you have to find the noun form, it will be the participation. But here, we are asked to find the name of the person who does the action. So, it is un participant. Un participant. If you have to find the noun form, it will be participation, participation. But the name of the person who does the action. So the action is participer. So who does this action? Un participant. So I hope you understood the difference between these two. This is the noun form of the verb and this is the name, the noun for the person who does this action. So I hope you understood how to write the noun form as well as the name of the person doing the action.